Thank you by phoossno HDMI 2.1 certified HDMI cable. Now, all of the cables have HDMI ADC certificate with HDMI ADC label. Here is the 10 meters, 50 meters, and 20 meters. Now we scan the labels, we can get the information about the cables. Okay. So we can use the HDMI app. Now, okay, we got the 20 meters. It shows ultra high speed HDMI cable 20 meters. Now we can see, let's say that 50 meters. Good, it shows the ultra high speed HDMI cable 50 meters. The last one is the 10 meter. Now, okay, we can see all is certified. Next, we open the box to check what it looks like. It shows 10 meter and what it looks like. One side shows 8K ultra high speed UHD and HDMI. The another side shows the direction and the logo. phoossno. Each of the cable have a QR code to track the cable's production date. Thank you for select the phoossno.